This thing's amazing. Are you kidding me? I'm Matty Matheson, and this is the tread. I got the new tread over here with Gozney. Do you understand what's happening right now? You can go anywhere. You want to go up a mountain? You want to ride down a river? You don't even know what's at the end of the river, do you? Guess what? I do. It's the new tread, Matty Matheson Gozney pizza oven. You want to make pizzas you get out of a tent in the morning and you want to make a pizza? Yeah, you do. Pizza for breakfast, pizza for dinner, pizza for lunch, anywhere you want to go. This fire's not even hot. This is, okay? This is hot. This is parchment paper. What do you call this paper? It's for children. This is a real fire that you can cook anything in. Wherever you want to go. You can skydive with this on your back. But you need the parachute somewhere on your body. But you can get the new Tread pizza oven. The hottest, latest addition to the Gozney family. My name's on it. It spins. Because the wind you can't control. But Gozney Tread you can. Wind's coming. Now the wind is out of your way. See that? You're trying to cook a fresh little brown trout and the wind's blowing. It's okay. Literally paper. Okay? It's got little handles like a boom box.